Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lifestyle Gupshup. Hope you guys are doing great, and as I told in my previous video that I'm going to shoot a hairstyle video for you, the hairstyle which I worn in my previous video. And if you have missed that previous video, so you can just check in the I button, so from there you can just see what is the hairstyle and you can follow this hairstyle tutorial. So right now let's see what's the hairstyle. Hairstyle, and if you find this hairstyle to be easy and very quick to make, so you can just do is give a thumbs up to my video and also share it with your friends and families, and do try and let me know in the comment section how you like and if you want me to do more hairstyle tutorials like that. So till then, bye bye.